I do hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said, everything will be in the... So welcome back to a brand new video. We're in Cleveleys. The weather is miserable, absolutely throwing it down. But we've come to visit a 101-year-old working men's club. How about that? 101 years old. Absolutely amazing. So we're going to have a bit of a look inside. It just be opening when we get in. So come and join me on this one. So we are back in the beautiful town. Cleveleys, absolutely, really wonderful place. And this is one of my favourite places to come. It just seems to be so more relaxed, a slower pace of life in Cleveleys. You know, there's not rushing around. Whereas Blackpool, you seem to be sort of like rushing around trying to get to places as quick as possible. But Cleveleys just got that sort of slower pace of life. I don't know if it's me just getting older, but I think a lot of people know what I mean. But yeah, it's another miserable day today. So like I said, we're going to go and visit this wonderful club, and I'll just show you a little bit more what that one does offer. So we've just arrived just near the bus station in Cleveleys, and what we're going to do, we're going to pop into the Cleveleys Working Men's Club. And this one sort of holds great sort of entertainment, things like that. And I've never actually been in. So what we're going to do, I'm going to have a bit of a look around. And I'll just show you what this one does offer. It is hidden out of the way a little bit from Cleveleys' like main stretch. But you don't see, you know, that many, you know, traditional working men's clubs anymore. You know, look at the Central Club, what, you know, got burned down, horrible arson attack. And yeah, we're gonna pop in and just show you, you know, exactly what it's like inside and what they do offer. You never know, you might just you know, fancy me. Just you see the sign there, they've got like bingo, looks like karaoke, entertainment tribute nights. Look at this. So we're gonna have a bit of a look inside and speak to them, see what they do offer. So what we'll do is have a bit of a look around. I'll show you exactly what this place does offer. And you can see they're absolutely fantastic, lovely and clean. Wow. So let's go and venture inside. So this is just inside. Just see how large this place is. It doesn't look that big from outside, but when you actually come in, it's absolutely, really amazing. So you can see they've got a well-stocked bar, Carling, Carlsberg, all the bitters, the Tetleys, all the different ones. So like I said, there's something for everybody's tipple. So you can see they've got a fantastic stage. Let's just venture on down a little more. And they do sort of karaoke nights here, bingo nights, and much more. Run through exactly what they do, but you can see fantastic stage there, all set up. There's TVs dotted around the place also. So within the club, they've even got their own little kitchen as well. This one is called Tell's Kitchen, I believe, or Tell's Cafe. And they do sort of specials and all sorts. You see on the board there, beef hot pots and curries, all sorts of things. They've got a great little menu as well. So it's not often you get, you know, in a working men's club, you do get a cafe. So you always guaranteed of some warm food. And they do this on, it is open most times, you know, when the bingo's on and events are on. So we're going to have a bit of a look at the snooker hall as well, which they do boast here. So this is the snooker place, and you can see there's 3 tables, and there's 2 match tables and also another table. So they do offer membership also within the club, which is £23 a year and includes some great discounts. So you don't have to be a member to actually come and enjoy the snooker and the facilities. However, like I said, if you are a member, £23 it reduces to £15 each year after. And you actually get 50p off per drink, which is absolutely incredible. So I'm joined by Des today. Hi, Des.
Hi.
And like I said, he's invited us to this fantastic working men's club. So I'm going to ask you a couple of questions, if that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
So you offer so much, the bingo, the karaoke, the membership's fantastic deal. So why do you think people should, actually visit this place?
Well, the main thing is the friendliness of the people,
Yeah.
what we've got to offer, and our entertainment second to none. Every day we've got something on, and it fits in to all different age groups as well, which is the main thing. We have, on a Thursday, we have people who are 80 years old. On a Saturday night, we've got quite a young crowd come in. And I think it just offers so much for people. And it's one of the reasons why I actually moved here, being quite honest.
Brilliant. And you mentioned about the membership. I think a lot of people will be interested in like the car park membership and the discount off the drinks as well. Just sort of talk a little bit about that one.
Right, okay, the membership is quite easy. The first year you pay £23, and that's basically that price because of your card. So you get your membership card for the first year. The next year you take the same card to the bar, and it will cost you £15 for a year. Once you're a member of the club, the car parking, which is right in the middle of Cleveleys, is £10 a year, but that is dependent on how much you use the club.
Yeah.
So if you use the club a lot, £10 for the car parking in the centre of Cleveleys, and it's not restricted just while you're here.
Yeah.
A lot of people will park the car, go shopping, come back here, have lunch, and have a beer.
Yeah, I think 50 pence off a drink is a great incentive as well.
As a member, as a non-member, you'll pay. I'll just give you an example. A pint of Carlsberg would be was it £3.65. As a non-member, it's £3.15. So you get 50p off a drink, and spirits as well. And for soft drinks, you get 30p off. So in a year, you've easily paid off your membership.
Yeah, brilliant. And you boast a bowling green, so I think you're going to show us that one as well, aren't you?
I'm going to show you. We've got a bowling team. We've also got snooker teams, darts teams, and pool teams. But our bowls is quite a big event downstairs. We have got a floodlit bowling green as well, which is very rare in these parts. And we hold competitions on behalf of the county, etc. Because we've got the floodlights, and it usually starts about March, where it's getting darker in the evening.
Brilliant. So what I'll do, I'll pop all the information as well in the description. So if you want to check this fantastic place out, a bit more about memberships, things like that, have a look in the description. So yeah, let's head on to the bowling green then. Thanks, Des.
Right, okay, thank you.
So we just ventured outside, and this is the bowling green they do have, and you can just turn up and play the bowls once you're a member, which is great. But also they've got a little kitchen area and seating area too. And just a bit of a shot looking back at this fantastic club. Wow, so many facilities they do offer. And just down below, this is where the car park was talking about, and is actually sort of protected by cameras, so you know your car is going to be safe if you do venture into Cleveleys. How about that? So I think all that's to say is thank you for the invite. Thank you, Alan, and thank you, Des.
Yeah.
Much appreciated. Like I said, fantastic place.
Okay.
And let's hope we can get some more people in. You don't even need it, but
right.
Brilliant place.
Okay, thank
Brilliant.
you for coming.
Thank you both.
Nice.
And Cleveleys has certainly seen some changes over the years. We just sort of walk down like the main stretch. Many high street shops have come and gone, including Wilkinson's. I think everybody remembers Wilkinson's, but there is so many little independent shops also what still remain, which is fantastic, I think. And just to the right, you can see these are little stalls, and they sell all sorts. You can see they're all undercover today due to the horrible weather. So just near Phillips Jewelers, and then we've got the Corkscrew and Deacon's Cafe. You can see there that little sign, "We buy gold instant prices," and there's been a huge price crash with silver. Gold's tumbled by 11%. So how many people are going to be taking the scrap jewellery and things, cashing in before he goes any lower? That's an interesting one. So this one used to be a NatWest bank, and you can see now it's had a complete changeover and it's now called the District, and it sells beers, wines, spirits, cocktails, coffee and much more. So many banks are disappearing. It does look nice, just situated on the corner, the District. And just on the opposite side where the NatWest used to be, this used to be a HSBC back in its day, another former bank, and now this one, it's kept its name, I guess. In some respects it's called the Greedy Banker, and again looks really, really nice. We have been in there, done a bit of filming. Very, very swish one. I do hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said, everything will be in the... That didn't go according to plan, that outro. Jeez, the umbrella smacks me in the face. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, fantastic place, that club. Everything will be in the description. So until next time, look after yourselves, stay safe. It's a bye from me. Bye-bye.